Hello and welcome to the Malware Rescue Guide for uninstalling programs inside safe mode. From time to time, we need to boot our computers into safe mode in order to remove malware and uninstall certain programs. In order to uninstall these programs, we need to do some registry edits inside safe mode, and we'll walk through that process here. The program we will be removing inside safe mode, we can go under Control Panel here, will be the Ask toolbar. So let's go ahead and boot our computer into safe mode, and then we will attempt to remove this program. So in order to boot into safe mode, let's go ahead and restart. We need to hit the F8 key right after we restart and right before Windows starts actually booting up. So right when your computer restarts, you want to start hitting your F8 key on your keyboard. Basically, what safe mode is Windows that boots up with only the things that are necessary for it to run. So it blocks everything else from running. So it's a good environment for us to boot into to remove malware. And it's especially good if you are getting blocked from uninstalling certain programs. So we'll wait for it to shut down here, and as it restarts, right there, we'll start hitting our F8 key. So there we go. So we hit F8 key, and we got into our boot menu here. So it's our advanced boot options, and we can see right here we have safe mode with networking, and safe mode with command prompt. So we'll just do regular safe mode here. You can do safe mode with networking if you want to boot into safe mode and have access to the internet. We don't really need that right now, so we'll just do regular old safe mode. So let's go enter, and we are loading up. You can see that it's actually loading Windows quite differently than it normally does, and it's actually going to load Windows a bit faster than it usually does. So we'll let it finish up here, and it should finish loading. Get rid of that. Okay, so Windows should be loading up. Give it another second here, and there it goes. So we have Windows loading. Okay, good. So Windows is pretty much booted, and you can see it looks quite different. The resolution is a bit smaller. We have the support here. It's probably going to tell us what is safe mode. There we go. We don't need that. See, our background is gone. So from inside here, we can try and remove our software or malware or whatever it is we're trying to uninstall. We're going to remove this Ask toolbar, and what it's going to do is give us an error. And there it is. The Windows installer service could not be accessed. This can occur, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's click OK, and we'll close out of this for now. And what we have to do is a registry edit. So go ahead on your keyboards, hit Windows R, and this run command will come up. So we'll type in reg edit. Good. So now we're going to navigate through this hierarchy here. So let's click on H key, local machine, and then we'll click on system, and then current control set. Good. Control. We need safe boot. So scroll down. Safe boot. Minimal. Okay. So once we click into this minimal, we can actually expand that out. We need to create a registry key here. So right click on it, click new key. We're going to call this MSI server. Spelled just like that with all the uppercase letters. The first four are uppercase. And enter. Good. So that got created. Now we have to double click on this registry key inside here. So let's double click that. And the value is going to be service. Enter. All right, that should be it. That's all the registry stuff we have to do. It's not too terrible. Let's close out of that. Now let's go back to start, and under search here, we'll type in CMD. And then right click on here and run as administrator. Now we got to run one more command, and this is going to be SC space start space MSI server, and enter. Alright, so this shows us a little command, means that the service has started running. We can close out of that now, and that should be it. Now we can go into our control panel and go into program files or programs and features, and scroll down and click on our program and uninstall. And it should uninstall just like it would if we were booted into regular old Windows. So we'll let it finish up here. And that should be it. So once we did that registry, we can go ahead and remove any programs that we have in here. And if you were getting blocked before by maybe some malware or viruses blocking itself from getting uninstalled, you have a much higher chance of getting it uninstalled now that you're inside safe mode. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give us a thumbs up. And if you need any more help, head over to malwarerescue.com and post on our forums. Thank you.